Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 5, Class 4, SJ6. We will explain about our project called School Management System. My name is Karina Natasha Darmawan. School Management System is a system that can make it easier for school to store student data and student lesson scores. It will make administrators easier and safer from risks that might occur when storing grades using paper. Our project used Java as the language programming, NetBeans as IDE, and MySQL or PHP as a database. The next slide is database design. We use database project school that has 3 tables, Siswa, IPA, and IPS. In table Siswa, all of the column is varchar data type. In table IPA and IPS, only in column name that use varchar as data type, and the other one use integer. The next slide is flowchart. First, you have to log in using ID and password that will lead you to home. In home, there are 4 choices. First choice is to input student data. The second choice is to input student score, whether it is IPA or IPS. After input data, you can either go back to home or input another data. The third choice is to display table that contains student data, and the last choice is to display table that contains student score. In third and fourth choice, you can use search function and delete function. After that, you can log out in the frame home. The next slide is table design that contain field name, data type, width, and description about what the column or field name means. The next slide has 2 pictures. In the left picture is the query to create database and tables. All of the name has description as not known. The right picture is the structure of table student data from PHP, MyAdmin, or MySQL. That's all from me. The next slide will be presented by Maharani.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Maharani from Group 5, Class 4 SC6. I will continue the presentation. In this slide, we have 2 tables. The first is structured database table, score of science student. We have 1 varchar and 6 integer. Second table is score of social student. We have 1 varchar and 7 integer. Next, we have a design interface that's login. If user input the wrong admin and password, so program will display message, but if user input correct ID and password, the program will show the menu. Next slide. First menu is input data siswa. User will choose the first menu and then program will display input data siswa GFrame. And then user can input the data. After that, program will show the information, and that's our database after user input the data. Slide is the second menu. There is a menu input nilai. If the user choose the second menu, the program will display menu input nilai. There is 2 major. The first is science and the second is social. So user choose the other one. The program will display input nilai IPA or IPS. After the user input data, so the program will display information. The next slide. The first picture is database score science student. The other picture is GFrame if user choose social to input score. Next, the first picture is database social, and the other picture is third menu. There is daftar siswa or list student. If a user choose the third menu, a program will display a list of students that can search and delete the data. The last menu we have daftar nilai. If the user choose the last menu, so the program will show the menu daftar nilai. There is two major, science and social. User choose the other one, so program will show the list of score student that can search and delete the data. That's our presentation. Sorry for the mistake. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.